Hi guys, Bobby here, and as you may know, I joined ClickFunnels a month ago, and I joined the One Funnel Away Challenge. So with that, I got my One Funnel Away Challenge box, and I just wanted to open it in front of you guys. All right, let's see here. Oh, it's this way, guys. This way. Stop. Win a prize. Simply for opening up this package. All right, let's see. Let's see here. All right. Okay. So your training officially begins now. To each, there comes in their lifetime a special moment when they are figuratively tapped on the shoulder and offered the chance to do a very special thing, unique to them and fitted to their talents. What a tragedy if that moment finds them unprepared or unqualified for that which could have been their finest hour. Sir Winston Churchill. Wow. All right, so that's a quote there. Ooh, look, red confetti. Sweet. What does this say? How would you like to earn $100 every time someone signs up for the challenge or two? Wow, dude. Hey, if you guys are interested, let me know. Dear friend, want to help out your friends and followers build their business online while earning a whole bunch of easy money in the process? ClickFunnels is giving away $100 for each person that signs up for our challenge. Wow, guys. So if you're interested, like I said, let me know. All right, what else is in here? Let's see. Guys, today, I'm excited to join this because I'm in a situation where, I'm stuck on my 9-to-5 job. I don't want to work my butt off for my employer or the guy upstairs, right? The boss. I just want to work, go hard, do 40 hours or 80 hours just for myself, work on my own business. So this challenge will hopefully get my funnel up and running, and you'll see me at the either single comma club or 2 comma club, which means my funnel made $1 million. All right, let's see. What is this? Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Why is it so hard to do this? They're crazy. All right. Oh, look at the Benji. It only costs $100 for this challenge. For legit funnel hackers only. In funnels we trust. Russell Brunson. Sweet. You sign to lose everything. And this is the 30 days, guys. So what this is when... So ClickFunnels actually interviewed, I think, 30 people or more. The 2 comma club people. Meaning these people made at least $1 million in one of their website funnels. All right, so they made a 30-day plan. So if they lost their name, their business, have no money, what would they do in the first 30 days, right? All right, so I'm very excited for this book because I got wind that Spencer Meekum made one of these plans. Let me see. Chapter 18, Affiliate Marketing, page 337. Yeah. So I am into affiliate marketing just because I want to separate my time from money, right? So imagine making money while you're sleeping. Dude, that's freaking awesome, right? So do all the work and then basically have passive income, right? That's what it is. And not have to worry about customer service, customer support, or retaining customers. Let me see, 337. Right there, this is the guy, Spencer Meekum. Owner of Builderpreneur. Spencer is a full-time affiliate marketer, course creator, and digital teacher. He enjoys winning cars and helping entrepreneurs automate their business so they can live on their own terms. That's my idol right there. That's my mentor. I'm actually doing his plan the second time around. So if you guys are interested, let me know. And then what else is in here? Let's see, little box for a ring maybe? I don't know. Oh yeah, that's right. They did say that. So this is an MP3 player, and it's basically a recording of the first ever One Funnel Away Challenge teachings by Russell Brunson himself and Stephen Larson. Thanks, guys. So I'm gonna listen to that on my car ride, our car ride. What else? More confetti, more confetti. All right, what's this? 2 Comma Club coaching. What is this? First, to get into the 2 Comma Club as fast as possible. Second, you get into the 2 Comma Club 10, so you can serve more people. The value ladder. What else? Get a free copy of these books. If you guys want free copies, let me know. The Inner Circle. And, all right. 2 Comma Club coaching. Sweet. What else is there? It's like Jeopardy, the game. I'm winning so many prizes here. One Funnel Away Challenge workbook. Guys, you guys already have this in the PDFs, but I love writing it down. Look at this, my own One Funnel Away journey map. Sweet. From pre-train to week 1, hook, story, offer. You guys will, that's like the Bible there. Hook, story, offer. So you get your hooks, your stories, put that in the funnel, and make it rain. Make it rain. Then the post-training. All right, next. So like I said, just your workbook. Here's the one I'm on now. The Mission. The Greatest Showman. And what is that? If you can't be the lowest, there is no strategic way or advantage to be the second cheapest. So you just got to build your value ladder. Get the best offer so no one could say no. Anyways, you guys will learn that in the challenge. And that's it, guys. So if you guys do want to join me in this journey or next month, I have a link for you. Link is down below. Any questions, let me know. Thank you, guys.